How to use Allianz Life Insurance Belgium properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Allianz Life Insurance Belgium can be a powerful tool to protect your family's financial future, but most people get this wrong and the consequences can be costly. You won't believe how simple mistakes can reduce your coverage or increase your expenses. One of the biggest errors is choosing the wrong type of policy. Allianz offers both term life insurance, which provides temporary coverage for a specific period, and whole-of-life insurance, which offers lifelong protection and potential cash value growth. Selecting the wrong type can either leave your family exposed or make your premiums unnecessarily high. Underestimating your coverage needs is another common mistake. Life insurance should cover your mortgage, outstanding debts, daily living expenses, and future costs like your children's education. Failing to account for all of these could leave your loved ones in financial difficulty. Another overlooked factor is regularly updating beneficiaries. Life changes like marriage, divorce, or having children require revisiting your policy. Ignoring this can delay payouts or create disputes about who receives the benefits. Optional add-ons or riders are frequently ignored. Allianz offers options such as critical illness cover, disability benefits, and accident protection. These extras can be crucial if you face unexpected events, giving your family financial stability beyond the base policy. Finally, many policyholders don't fully understand the benefits of whole-of-life policies, such as cash value accumulation or loan access. Regular reviews help ensure you understand your premium's growth potential and any tax implications. To make Allianz Life Insurance Belgium truly effective, choose the right type of coverage, maintain adequate protection, update beneficiaries, consider optional riders, and review your policy regularly. By taking these steps, you ensure your insurance works exactly as it should, providing peace of mind and real financial security for your family.